Are these budget earbuds the next big thing, or just another cheap gimmick? Let's find out. Inside the box, you'll find the X28 earbuds, their charging case, a short USB-C charging cable, and a couple of extra ear tip sizes to help you find the perfect fit. The charging case feels light but sturdy enough. On the back, you've got a standard USB-C charging port. The indicator lights on the front tell you the case's battery level. The earbuds themselves sport a stem design. They're super lightweight, which is great for long listening sessions. Getting a good seal is crucial for sound quality, so take the time to try the different ear tip sizes. I found the medium ones worked best for me. Pairing is a breeze. Just open the case, find Miniso X28 in your phone's Bluetooth settings, and connect. Now let's talk sound. These aren't audiophile grade, but they pump out surprisingly decent audio. The bass is present without being overpowering, and the vocals are clear. Volume gets pretty loud, so be mindful. I also tested the microphone with a phone call. The person on the other end said I sounded clear, even with some background noise. Overall, the Miniso X28 earbuds are a surprisingly solid budget option. If you're looking for affordable, decent-sounding earbuds for everyday use, these are definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.